act like cats. Puff is quick and dodge is trapped. Chews through kennel in a flash. Climbs trees to get free cause there's no steps. He won't run, he stands his ground. Hates the cage and makes no sound. Petting not but lives to chase the ball your arm gives out before it falls. They're just ugly cats, you see, wild and free as they can be, fighting love and night and day. Ugly cats in every way. Akira fluffy, wide and small, rules the pack, she stands so tall. Hates the rain, won't touch the wet. Mighty hunter, you can bev. Cuddles come when she agrees. Hickey queen would taste like these. Rules the nest and stays aware. She's the cat who won't play fair. They're just ugly cat, you see, wild and free as they can be, fighting love at night and day. Ugly cats in every way. Angel and cross, they lounge around till playtime brings that growling sound. Fight like demons, never side by side, until another comes and they'll turn the tide. George the young is short and wide, food obsessed with hungry eyes. Never stops, he's begging, cries. Squirrel chaser day and night. Squeaky toys his only game. Birds all flee, it dodges flame. Climbs like pup, but more bold and ugly cat with heart of gold. They're just ugly cats, you see, wild and free as though can be, fighting loving night and day. Ugly cats in every. Shih Tzu Schnauzer makes, as they said, look like dogs, so cute and bred. But I'm not buying their lies, just ugly cats and dogs.